Do you constantly keep experiencing dull aches and pains in your body and you want to do something about it? Hello, I'm Kunal Pandit and I'm from Gorak Yoga, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a technique, a self-massage technique that you can use every day in your life to remove the tension from your body. So this particular area that we are going to target is one of the most stress holding areas in your body. It stores a lot of stress because we are seated down for a long period of time during the day, and we keep on accumulating stress, we keep on storing stress in these regions. So these are called the hip flexors. Okay, so primarily these are used for hip flexion. So either this flexion, when we lift our leg up, either we lift our leg to the sides like this, we flex, and to the inside as well. Okay, so there are 3 hip flexors. Okay, depending on which direction that we lift our leg, we flex our hip in. So these are usually getting tight because we are constantly sitting down like this on a chair and working. So our brain is associating stress to this posture, and these, wherever there is tightness, these areas, they store a lot of not only physical stress but a lot of neurological stress as well in your nerves, in your nervous system. So when we do a self-release, a self-massage release, or it's also known as myofascial release, we break down the tissues that are getting tight, that are getting bunched up, that are getting knotted up. Okay, so when you release that, you increase the circulation in those areas, and you actually start focusing on releasing the stress all over your body, because it has a domino effect. Just like when you start storing stress in these areas, it creates a roller coaster of bad patterns of movement, bad patterns of posture, bad patterns of thinking. Okay, so all of these are associated bad emotions as well. So when you release this, you also feel some kind of emotional satisfaction, some kind of a relief. Okay, so I use very simple techniques. As you can see in my background, there are some PVC pipes. Okay, and there is tennis ball and there is a medicine ball. Okay, so I'll be using the medicine ball for this one. You can also use the thicker pipe, which is about 4 inches in diameter. Okay, so we are going to target this area. So this is your hip flexor. Okay, where you flex your hip, it contracts. When you straighten your leg, it expands. Okay, so you can get a feeling of this. This might be very hard for some of you. It might not be painful. You might have shoulder pains, or you might have neck pains, you might have back pains, lower back pains, but it all is coming from here. Okay, this is the source of all the dysfunctions in your body, in your posture, in the way your body functions and moves in space. Okay, so let's begin. We are going to keep this ball here, and we are going to rest our hip flexors on the ball. Okay, now keeping my, I'm doing it on my left leg. I'm putting my right knee outside. I'm holding this position of a plank. Okay, you can also lift your leg partially like this. Okay, you can keep your leg lifted, raised, or you can rest your knee as well, depending on how much pressure you need. Okay, it might be very painful for you guys, so it's very difficult. It might be very difficult, but remember to go after the pain instead of running away from it. Attack the pain. Okay, and keep breathing. Deep breaths. Okay, it activates the parasympathetic response. Okay, again, you don't need to be bouncing all over like this on the ball. Okay, you just need to slowly and slowly slide over it. Okay, roll the ball slowly along the length of these muscles. Okay, If you want, you can go all the way till your knee joint, okay, but not on the knee, but till your knee joint. You can stay here for about 2 to 3 minutes. We are primarily targeting the front hip flexor, okay? The one at 0 degrees. It's called the rectus femoris. For those of you who are interested in learning about the physiology, the anatomy behind it. Okay, so now on the other side, I'm used to doing this, so that's why it's not as painful for me, but for some of you it might be really, really painful. So don't react to the pain. Instead, go after it and try to relax the muscles with your breath. It's also a very good exercise. You'll start sweating. Okay, so do this at least like twice a day to begin with. And this is the first area that we target while doing myofascial release. So remember that you always begin with this whenever you are progressing forward in the myofascial release as well. I'm going to be coming up with more short videos of other important areas that are necessary to be released to release the pain from your body. Make sure you follow my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, you can definitely ask. And I'm putting together a course called the Bija Mukti for a pain-free living. Bija Mukti means release, freedom from the seeds, okay? So Bija means seeds of happiness, okay? They are stored as knots in your tissues. And when you do the releases, they are the myofascial releases that we do. You release these seeds, okay, of happiness, of pleasure, of satisfaction, okay. So you get a feeling of satisfaction. It's a self-exploration journey that we go on, and trust me that this will bring down like 90% of your physical pain, and also you will learn a lot about what is the emotional trigger, what are the emotional triggers that lead to these kind of storages in your body, storages of stress in your body. Okay, so I'm putting together this workshop. We're using simple tools to release all the stress all over your body, and it will make you perform better in all walks of life. Okay, so if you're interested, make sure that you send us a message. And if you have any doubts or if you have any questions regarding this workshop, also you can message us. So if you like this video, make sure you share it and practice it. If you have any difficulties while practicing, if you cannot understand how you can go about certain things while releasing the stressed up tissues in your body, like there's a lot of pain. If you are experiencing a lot of pain, please get in touch with us. We can help you with that. Okay. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have an awesome practice session. Bye bye and have a great day.